This is your beginning of your assessment for Thursday. Number 29. Rhonda's teacher asked her students to make a quadrilateral using colored tiles. Each colored tile was 1 square inch. Rhonda created a quadrilateral that had 8 rows and 63 colored tiles in each row. What is the area of Rhonda's quadrilateral? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 30. You will need your star chart or your reference materials for this question. A square emoji sticker is shown. Use the ruler provided to measure the side of the sticker to the nearest centimeter. Which measurement is closest to the perimeter of the emoji sticker in centimeters? F 12 centimeters, G 36 centimeters, H 20 centimeters, J 24 centimeters. Number 31. Zach asked his classmates what their bedtimes were on a school night. Zach created a table below to show his results of the survey. Bedtime: 8 o'clock, 8:30, 9 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock, later. Frequency. Which dot plot represents the data in the table? A, B, C, or D? Number 32. Mrs. Ditto is a teacher at Perez Elementary. Which factor would most likely affect the amount of money Mrs. Ditto will get paid by the school district? F, the amount of homework Mrs. Ditto gives her students each day. G, the work experience Mrs. Ditto has. H, the amount of money Mrs. Ditto gives her to charities. J, the amount of money Mrs. Ditto needs to pay her bills. Number 33. The 4th grade classes at Lincoln Elementary were having a food drive. The graph below shows the number of cans each class collected for the food drive. Cans collected: Flores, Garza, Gonzalez, Valdez. Each can means 10 cans. Based on the graph, how many more cans did Mrs. Garza's class collect than Mrs. Valdez's class? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 34. Mrs. De La Cruz borrowed $1,200 from a credit union to buy a motorcycle. When she finished paying back the loan, she had paid the credit union a total of $2,000. Which statement is the most likely reason Mrs. De La Cruz paid the credit union more than the amount she borrowed? F, she had to pay the interest on the amount of money she borrowed. G, she gave the credit union the extra money to thank them for giving her the loan. H, she lost count on how much money she had already given the credit union and overpaid the loan amount. Or J, she had to pay sales tax on the amount of money she borrowed. Be sure to bubble in all your answers, turn in your white copy to the basket, and enter your answers into Google Classroom. Today, after you finish entering your answers into Google Classroom, you are going to turn in your colored sheet to your class's basket.